Can the lithium battery of a two-wheel electric vehicle be used directly on the tricycle? Taking the 48 volts 12 ampere lithium battery pack used on the 48 volts three-wheel electric vehicle as an example, there are two possible outcomes. First, the electric vehicle's power pack cannot be started. Second, the battery may be damaged. Failure to start means the overcurrent protection of the BMS is triggered, which is a protection mechanism initiated by the BMS to ensure battery safety when current output from the lithium battery is too high. How does the BMS know the discharge current? We find the rotor core resistors next to the most tubes of the BMS. Both charge and discharge currents pass through it. According to Ohm's law, a voltage is generated at both ends of the core resistor. Of course, because the resistance value of the resistor is very small, the voltage generated is also very small. Therefore, a circuit with higher acquisition accuracy is needed. When the current is too high, once the MCU chip detects the raised voltage signal exceeds the threshold value, we control the MOS tube to disconnect the circuit, stop discharging. It also triggers overcurrent protection. The entire discharge process ends. Taking the example just now, 48 volts 12 ampere battery. The matching BMS current is generally 50 ampere, and that is the maximum continuous current it can be withstand is 50 ampere. When discharge current reaches 1.5 to 2 times, which is a maximum of 30 ampere, overcurrent protection will be triggered. This battery used on the tricycle because tricycles require the battery to output more current. When this current exceeds the overcurrent protection value, which is 30 ampere, the BMS will activate the overcurrent protection. Under these situations, electric cars cannot be started. There are also two dangerous situations. If the current required for a tricycle exceeds 50 ampere, when the overcurrent protection value is not reached, although electric vehicles can be used, but the BMS will burn out due to overheating. 2. 12 ampere battery for tricycles. If this is the discharge capacity of the battery core itself, the electric core can also be dangerous due to severe heat generation. Therefore, can the lithium battery of a two-wheeled vehicle be used on the tricycle? It depends on the discharge capacity of the electrical core and the current BMS. Finally, when the BMS triggers the overcurrent protection, how to remove it? Simply disconnect the load. Once the protection is triggered, if the B pole is not suspended and disconnected, the BMS will not resume normal operation. This is the end of today. If you think of it helpful, likes and subs appreciated. See you next time. Bye.